You might ask yourself, why do we switch the inequality symbol when we divide or multiply by a negative number? The reason why we do that is because we need to maintain our statement true. For example, let's recall an equation. You had 5 equals to 5, and you were told that what I do in one side, I have to do in the other side. Why? So we can keep our equation being true, right? Now, we need to achieve the same in inequality. For example, 2 is less than 5. This is a true statement. Now, if we add plus 2 in both sides, we will have less than 7, and that remains true. Now, if we subtract, let's subtract 3 minus 3 in both sides, and you still have a true statement, 1 less than 4. Great. Now, what about if I multiply it by 6? Let's say we multiply each side by 6. You will have 6 less than 24, and that remains true. Let's see what will happen when we divide or multiply by a negative number. We keep our same example, 6 less than 24. Now let's divide it by negative 3. Divided by negative 3, and we will obtain negative 2 less than negative 8. Is negative 2 less than negative 8? No, that's false, and we want to keep our statement being true. So what we need to do to maintain our statement being true, we must switch the sign. Instead of having a less than, we're going to have to write a greater than. Negative 2 is greater than negative 8, and that statement is true. The same will happen if you multiply by a negative number. Let's suppose we multiply each of them by a negative 4. What will we obtain by multiplying by a negative 4? Let's see. What is negative 4 times negative 2? That's a positive 8. Negative 4 times negative 8 give you a positive 32. And this is false. 8 is not greater than 32. So since this is false, in order to keep it true, we must switch our inequality symbol. So 8 is less than 32, and that's true. So remember, when you multiply or divide by a negative number, you must switch the inequality symbol in order to keep your statement true.